Greetings, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Hotel Riu Palace, Baja, California, a stunning, all-inclusive resort nestled in the heart of San José del Cabo, Mexico. So, grab your virtual margarita, and let's explore this adults-only paradise together. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Hotel Riu Palace, Baja, California offers a range of room options that'll make you feel like royalty. The deluxe rooms are a spacious 430 square feet of pure comfort, featuring either a king-size bed or 2 double beds. Picture yourself lounging on your private balcony or terrace, sipping a cool drink while gazing at the lush gardens, sparkling pools, or catching a glimpse of the azure ocean. These rooms come equipped with all the modern amenities you'd expect. Air conditioning to keep you cool in the Mexican heat, a flat-screen TV for those lazy evenings, a well-stocked minibar, because why not, and a coffee maker for your morning caffeine fix. The bathrooms are a treat too, with a bathtub or shower, hairdryer, and toiletries that'll make you smell like a tropical flower. But wait, there's more. If you're feeling fancy, upgrade to a junior suite. These bad boys offer around 540 square feet of living space, complete with a separate sitting area. It's like having your own little apartment in paradise. The junior suites come with all the perks of the deluxe rooms, plus some extra goodies like an enhanced minibar, top-shelf liquor, cozy bathrobes and slippers, and in some cases, a jacuzzi tub. Imagine soaking in bubbles while watching the sunset over the ocean. Now that's what I call living the dream. For those who want to go all out, the hotel also offers suites. While the exact details aren't spelled out on their website, a little mystery never hurt anyone, right? These luxurious accommodations typically span over 750 square feet. They feature separate living and sleeping areas, premium amenities that'll make you feel like a celebrity, and breathtaking ocean views. Some even come with butler service. That's right, your very own Alfred to cater to your every whim. Now let's talk about food, because, let's face it, that's half the reason we go on vacation, right? Hotel Riu Palace, Baja, California doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. The main restaurant, La Veranda, is a buffet-style wonderland that'll satisfy even the pickiest eaters. Picture this. You wake up to the smell of freshly baked pastries, sizzling bacon, and tropical fruits. You wander down to La Veranda, where a feast awaits you. From made-to-order omelets to traditional Mexican breakfast dishes, your only problem will be deciding what to put on your plate first. Lunch and dinner are equally impressive, with a wide variety of international and Mexican cuisine. One night you might be piling your plate high with fresh seafood. The next you're indulging in perfectly grilled steaks. And don't even get me started on the dessert section. It's a chocoholic's dream come true. But wait, there's more. For those nights when you want to get a little fancy, the hotel offers several a la carte restaurants. El Patio serves up gourmet Mexican cuisine that'll make your taste buds do the cha-cha. Imagine savoring a rich, complex mole sauce or biting into perfectly prepared tacos al pastor while mariachi music plays softly in the background. It's like a fiesta in your mouth. If you're in the mood for something a little different, head over to Culinarium, the hotel's premium steakhouse. Here, you can sink your teeth into a juicy ribeye or savor a succulent lobster tail. Pair it with a fine wine, and you've got yourself a meal fit for a king or queen. And let's not forget about the bars. Hotel Riu Palace, Baja, California boasts multiple watering holes, including swim-up pool bars, because swimming to your drink is way more fun than walking, a lobby bar for those pre-dinner cocktails, and a beach bar where you can sip on a piña colada with your toes in the sand. The bartenders are wizards with a cocktail shaker, whipping up everything from classic margaritas to creative concoctions that'll have you saying, "I'll have another, pour favor." Now let's dive into the pools and beaches, shall we? Hotel Riu Palace, Baja, California boasts not one, not two, but 3 outdoor pools. The star of the show is the infinity pool, where you can float at the edge and feel like you're one with the ocean. It's so picturesque, you'll be racking up those Instagram likes faster than you can say #vacation goals. There's also a pool with a swim-up bar, because why should you have to leave the water to get a refill? And for those who prefer a quieter swim, there's an adults-only pool where you can escape the splash wars and cocktail-fueled pool games. The pools are surrounded by comfortable sun loungers and umbrellas, perfect for working on that golden tan or catching up on your summer reading. And if you're feeling a bit peckish or thirsty, don't worry about moving a muscle. The attentive pool staff will bring drinks and snacks right to your lounger. It's like having your own personal cabana boy or girl. But let's not forget about the beach. Hotel Rio Palace Baja, California boasts a stunning stretch of sandy shoreline that'll make you weak in the knees. The gentle waves are perfect for swimming, and the hotel provides complimentary towels, sun loungers, and umbrellas so you can set up camp for the day. If you're feeling adventurous, you can try your hand at kayaking, snorkeling, or paddleboarding. Just imagine gliding over crystal clear waters, spotting colorful fish darting beneath you. And the best part? You can do all this without leaving the comfort of your resort. It's like having your own private slice of paradise. When it comes to activities, Hotel Rio Palace Baja, California has got you covered. For fitness enthusiasts, there's a state-of-the-art gym equipped with cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment. You can keep up with your workout routine while gazing out at the ocean. It's almost enough to make you forget you're exercising. Almost. The hotel also occasionally offers yoga and Pilates classes, perfect for stretching out those muscles after a long day of, well, relaxing. If you're more into relaxation than perspiration, the hotel spa is calling your name. Picture dimly lit treatment rooms, the scent of essential oils wafting through the air, and the sound of soothing music lulling you into a state of bliss. The spa offers a range of treatments designed to pamper you from head to toe. Indulge in a hot stone massage to work out those knots, or treat your skin to a rejuvenating facial. There's even a sauna and steam room where you can sweat out all those margaritas you've been enjoying. For those who like a bit of friendly competition, the hotel offers various activities throughout the day. You might find yourself in a heated game of beach volleyball, showing off your skills in a water aerobics class, or testing your knowledge in a trivia contest. And let's not forget about the evening entertainment. The hotel puts on live music and shows several nights a week, so you can dance the night away or sit back and enjoy the spectacle with a cocktail in hand. Now, you might be wondering about nearby attractions. While it's tempting to never leave the resort, and honestly, who could blame you, there's plenty to explore in the surrounding area. Just a short 5 kilometers jaunt away is the San José del Cabo Art District, a charming area filled with galleries, boutiques, and cafes. It's the perfect place to pick up some unique souvenirs or immerse yourself in local culture. If you're a beach bum, head to Playa Palmilla, a stunning public beach just 3 kilometers from the hotel. It's known for its calm waters and is a favorite spot for snorkeling and swimming. For nature lovers, the Wirikuta Botanical Cactus Garden is a must-visit. Located about 10 kilometers from the hotel, it's home to over 1 million plants, including rare and exotic cacti. It's like walking through a desert wonderland. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not take a trip to the Puerto Los Cabos Marina? It's about 15 kilometers away and offers fantastic opportunities for sport fishing or just admiring the luxury yachts. For those who want to experience the vibrant nightlife and shopping scene of Cabo San Lucas, it's just a 30-minute drive away. Here, you can party the night away at famous spots like Cabo Wabo or El Squidro, or shop till you drop at the high-end boutiques and souvenir shops. Just remember to pace yourself. You don't want to miss out on those delicious breakfast buffets back at the hotel. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.